Okay, guys, now is the time where I need to speak to all of you all seriously. ये जो कुछ भी हो रहा था, whatever was happening, was the play of Rahu. Rahu के बिना all this cannot happen. So one thing is underlined which you'll have to understand कि all these things that happen, these calamities, these turmoils, that is all Rahu and Ketu, the nodes of the moon, as told you all earlier. Now Rahu was in Ardha Nakshatra, and whenever it has gone into Ardha Nakshatra, ऐसा कुछ जरूर हुआ है. So now the good news is that on the 22nd of April, Rahu comes out of Ardha Nakshatra and goes to Mrigasara. Mrigasara is nectar. So coming out of this on the 22nd means whatever negative was happening from the planet side, from the universe, will stop. Which means कि जो डैमेज होना था वो हो गया है. Now, what we have to understand is that we have to just stop this spread. So, in the next 7-8 days of Rahu coming into Mrigasara, so now we have to see to it that this does not spread. Now, if it is happening, it is contagious, so it's happening. So, we have to stop that. So, now the only cure and remedy is lockdown, distancing. The planetary effect is over, my friends. It's over. So it's a good news that now this is in our hands. We have to follow the lockdown and the distancing, and we will see to it that within the next few days we will start coming out of this and we are going to win this. We are very close to the victory line. So guys, be patient, don't panic, and now is the time. As there are so many people to thank and I have not been able to thank everybody, I would like to repeat that all the police people, all the military, all the doctors, nurses, ward boys, Bombay Municipal Corporation staff all over India, all municipal workers all over the world, Canada, US, London, UK, Europe, I mean everywhere, we all thank you, and we will, there are no words. What we will and we will not, there are no words. We can just thank you, and we are blessed to have all of you people. Now guys, what we have to look at is just 3 things. The planets have come into our favor now guys. ये 3 चीज़ों का हमको ध्यान रखना है. सिर्फ 3 चीज़ें करनी है when we have won the battle. Only 3 things now. We have to follow the lockdown, maintain the distance, and disinfect. जितना भी आप disinfect कर सकते हो अपने घरों को, areas को, just do that and we have won the battle. जो हमारा enemy जो था, जिसको हम देख नहीं सकते थे, जिसके against हम fight नहीं कर सकते थे, हम कुछ भी नहीं उसका बिगाड़ सकते थे, he is moving from Ardha Nakshatra to Mrigasara. That's in our favor. So it's good for us whatever is happening today on the 22nd of April. तो बस यहाँ से आपको सिर्फ 3 चीज़ों को फॉलो करना है. दिस इज फॉर द होल वर्ल्ड. प्लीज फॉलो दिस. प्लीज फॉलो. 22nd of April, everything changes. It comes into our favor. Please guys, we have won it. We have won it. We are close to victory. Trust me. Believe me. And remember one thing guys, I repeat, I believe in energies. I can feel it. I can see it. I can sense it. Energies don't lie. Energies don't lie. In the rush to return back to normal, use this time to consider which parts of normal are worth rushing back to.